Centralized versus decentralized cryptocurrency. Money in physical or transactional form operates and is managed by a central authority, banks. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that is created using encryption algorithms. The digital currencies do not need banks to operate. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets and are hard to convert into a physical currency. The wallet stores the key for the cryptocurrency. The technology used for creating and maintaining cryptocurrency is called blockchain. Cryptocurrency is gaining momentum with more people worldwide completing purchases and transactions. Since the currency is the same globally, with no conversion fees or rate, many prefer to complete online purchases using crypto, short form for cryptocurrency. The most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. The physical currency is still used to purchase and convert dollars, pounds, and other currencies into a cryptocurrency. With growing popularity and security compromises using cryptocurrency, there is a pressing need to regulate the process. Hence, cryptocurrency can now be issued by the central bank using a centralized process. Centralized versus decentralized cryptocurrency exchange process. In a centralized exchange, cryptocurrency for the buyer is controlled and managed by a private company or a publicly traded corporation. In a decentralized exchange, cryptocurrency for the buyer is not controlled, but rather influenced by a small group of peers or an autonomous organization. The private keys of the buyer's cryptocurrency in centralized crypto exchanges are managed by a single governing entity. The private keys of the buyer's cryptocurrency in a decentralized crypto exchange are managed by the buyer. Transactions in a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange are transparent among the community or peers, as all transactions are published in a blockchain logbook. Transactions and operations in a centralized cryptocurrency exchange are private and not transparent. Centralized currency exchange collects users' personal data and identification. It has regulatory requirements similar to setting up a stock account. Decentralized currency exchange does not collect any personal information. Decentralized currency exchange is more prone to cyberattacks compared to a centralized currency exchange. Also, centralized currency exchange has customer support available 24/7. A decentralized currency exchange does not have any customer support. Centralized currency exchange is a good starting point for a novice buyer to buy cryptocurrency, as it is easy to get started. But as the buyer gets more crypto savvy, the trends indicate them to move towards a decentralized currency exchange.